Partial product multiplication first requires that you understand the concept of expanded form. Let's review. In expanded form, we take a number and we split it up into its parts by place value. So for instance, the number 43 will be split up into 40 and 3. While the number 792 will be split up into 790 and 2. Obviously, the more digits we have, 1, 2, 3, the more numbers we'll have in the expanded form. Alright, armed with that knowledge, we're ready for partial product multiplication. Let's take the multiplication problem 25 times 13. We're going to choose one of the numbers to split up. Doesn't matter which one, I'm going to go ahead and use 13. 13 would split up to 10 and 3. Notice that these two numbers both still add up to 13, so I haven't lost anything. Now I'm going to take each of these, which are parts of 13, and multiply it by 25. And I will end up with 25 times 10 and 25 times 3. (25) times 10, I'm going to use my zero rule. And I know I'm going to move my decimal point at the end. This is going to be 25 times 1, which should be 25. And I have 1 0, so I'm going to move that decimal 1, so I end up with 250. 25 times 3, I know 25 is like a quarter. I'm going to use my counting by quarters trick. 25, 50, 75. And I have two partial products, 250 and 75. The next step is to recombine our partial products. Since partial means just a part of something, I got to put them back together. When I split up my 13 into 10 and 3, that was fine temporarily, but I got to put them back together, and that's what I'm going to do in this next step. 250 plus 75. These are my two partial products. I'm going to add these together. And get my grand total. 25 times 13 equals 325.